Hello guys. Welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to quickly fix WhatsApp download problems on your computer when files refuse to save to your PC. First, let us restart the app processes cleanly. Open your Start menu, search for Task Manager, and open it. Use the search bar at the top to find WhatsApp, right-click on it, and select End Task. Next, close the window, search for WhatsApp in your Start menu again, right-click the app icon, and select App Settings. Scroll down to the Reset section, click Repair, wait a moment, and then click Reset and confirm. Open WhatsApp, log back in, and check your downloads. If it still fails, let us clear the system store cache. Open your Start menu, type wsreset.exe, and hit Enter on your keyboard. This opens and flushes the Microsoft Store. If the issue persists, a clean reinstall is required. Open your Start menu, go to Settings, select Apps from the left menu, and click Installed Apps. Search for WhatsApp and click Uninstall. Once completely removed, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu, search for WhatsApp, and download a fresh copy directly from the official store page. Log back into your account, and your file downloads will work perfectly. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.